Welcome to an exclusive look inside the high-security facility where the Singapore dollar is born, a currency recognized as legal tender in two separate sovereign nations. Through the Currency Interchangeability Agreement of 1967, Singapore and Brunei maintain a unique financial bond, allowing their currencies to be used interchangeably at par value. This rare agreement makes the Singapore dollar one of the most powerful and flexible currencies in the world, accepted across borders with total confidence and ease. To maintain this trust, the production process is shrouded in secrecy and protected by layers of heavy security at the Monetary Authority of Singapore facility. Join us as we step inside this top-secret world to witness the birth of a masterpiece where art and high technology converge to create secure polymer banknotes. Every single note produced here is a result of years of research designed to be nearly impossible to forge while withstanding the rigors of daily circulation. From the vivid colors to the intricate portraits, every element serves a dual purpose of aesthetic beauty and advanced functional security for the people of Singapore. The journey of a Singapore dollar begins with raw materials that are far more advanced than the traditional paper used by most other countries in the world. The process starts with clear polymer film, specifically Biaxially Oriented Polypropylene. This base material is the foundation of the modern, durable Singaporean banknote series. Unlike traditional cotton-based paper, polymer is non-porous and waterproof, making it significantly more hygienic and resistant to dirt, oils, and moisture in tropical climates. The first major step is opacification. Several layers of specialized white ink are applied to the clear film, leaving behind specific transparent areas called security windows. These layers must be applied with micrometric precision to ensure the thickness of the note remains consistent across the entire surface of the polymer sheet. Immediately after the ink is applied, the sheets pass under powerful ultraviolet lights. This instantly cures and hardens the coating, preparing it for the next stage. Advanced automation ensures that the sheets are handled with extreme care, preventing any scratches or imperfections that could compromise the final quality of the banknote. Quality control begins immediately. Technicians monitor the opacity and thickness, ensuring the foundation is perfect before any color or design is added to the notes. These prepared sheets are more than just plastic. They are a high-tech substrate designed to last 4 times longer than paper, reducing the long-term environmental impact. The clear windows are a hallmark of polymer notes. They provide a unique space for complex optical features that are virtually impossible for counterfeiters to replicate. This durability is a key advantage. Whether it is a spill or a trip through a washing machine, the Singapore dollar remains intact and fully functional. Final preparatory coatings are applied to ensure the printing inks bond perfectly with the polymer, creating a permanent and resilient surface for the intricate designs. Now, we enter the world of high-precision color. Massive offset printing presses work at incredible speeds to apply the base colors and complex background patterns. The offset process here is a feat of engineering. It allows for the simultaneous printing of both sides of the sheet, ensuring perfect registration and alignment. Specialized inks are used, formulated with unique chemical properties that are exclusive to the central bank, making them impossible to buy on the open market. Look closer, and you will see microprinting. These tiny words and patterns are so fine that they cannot be reproduced by even the highest resolution commercial scanners. Guilloche patterns, consisting of complex mathematical curves, are printed in multiple colors. This creates a visual depth that is both beautiful and a powerful security feature. Color precision is critical. Every batch is compared against a master sample to ensure that every note in circulation has the exact same hue and saturation. One of the most impressive features is the see-through register. This is an image where parts are printed on the front and parts on the back. When held up to the light, these shapes align with absolute perfection to form a complete design. Any misalignment would immediately signal a counterfeit note. Rainbow printing creates a smooth transition between colors. This technique requires specialized equipment that prevents the distinct half-tone dots seen in common digital printing. Once the offset printing is complete, the sheets must dry thoroughly. These racks hold thousands of sheets in a controlled environment to prevent any ink transfer. Every detail is scrutinized under high magnification. The clarity of the lines is a testament to the high-quality plates and precision of the offset machinery. The machinery is a marvel of precision engineering, capable of maintaining alignment within fractions of a millimeter while processing thousands of sheets every single hour. With the base colors and micro patterns finished, the Note has its artistic foundation, but the most distinctive features are yet to be added in the next stage. Next is Intaglio printing, the soul of any high-security banknote. This process uses massive pressure to transfer thick, tactile ink from engraved steel plates. Steel plates are laser engraved with incredible detail. These deep grooves hold the ink that will eventually create the raised texture characteristic of genuine Singaporean currency. The ink used in Intaglio printing is unique. It is much thicker than standard ink, allowing it to sit on top of the polymer surface. Under tons of pressure, the polymer is forced into the grooves of the plate. This process physically embeds the ink and creates a distinct three-dimensional effect. You can feel the quality. The raised print on the word Singapore and the central portrait provides a tactile experience that is a primary security check. The portrait of Singapore's first president is rendered with master-level engraving. The depth and shading are achieved through the varying depths of the Intaglio plate. Specialized tactile features are also printed using Intaglio. These raised patterns in the corners help the visually impaired identify denominations with ease and independence. Intaglio printing is a slow and deliberate process compared to offset, but it is essential for the security and the feel of authentic legal tender. Precision is checked at the microscopic level. The height of the raised ink must meet strict standards to ensure the tactile features remain effective over time. This process also creates latent images. Certain patterns are only visible when the note is tilted at a specific angle, another hurdle for potential counterfeiters. With the Intaglio layers set, the notes now possess their most recognizable characteristics. But we are now moving toward the most modern optical security features. Now, the notes receive their high-tech optical armor. Advanced machines apply holographic foils and kinograms to the transparent windows of the polymer notes. A kinogram is a sophisticated security device. It is not just a simple hologram, but a computer-generated image that shifts and moves as you tilt the note. As you tilt the Singapore dollar, watch the clear window. The symbols inside dance and change hues, a feature that requires multi-million-dollar equipment to produce. Then there is the spark feature. This optically variable ink uses magnetic flakes to create a bright, moving bar that changes color dynamically with light. These features are designed to be easily verified by anyone in seconds, yet they are nearly impossible to duplicate using standard commercial printing or scanning. The optical security layers are the first line of defense in the digital age, providing a visual confirmation of authenticity that is instantly recognizable. Hidden within these foils are even more layers of microtext and hidden imagery that are only visible under high magnification by forensic experts. Applying these foils to polymer requires perfect temperature control. If it is too hot, the polymer warps, too cold, and the foil will not bond permanently. Under ultraviolet light, the note reveals a secret world. Fluorescent inks, invisible to the naked eye, glow in brilliant colors to reveal hidden security codes. The serial numbers themselves are printed with fluorescent properties. This allows high-speed sorting machines to verify the note's authenticity and its unique identity simultaneously. Every security feature is designed to be measured. Central banks use spectral analysis to ensure the light-reflecting properties of the inks are within exact specifications. The shadow image, similar to a watermark but created through printing layers, adds another dimension of security that is visible only when held up to light. These layers of optical and hidden security make the Singapore dollar one of the most technologically advanced and secure pieces of currency in the world. Before moving to the final stages, every note must pass through a gauntlet of sensors to ensure every security device is functioning exactly as intended. In the world of currency, there is no room for error. We now enter the quality control phase, powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence and computer vision. Advanced AI algorithms analyze every sheet in real time. They compare every printed dot and line against a perfect digital master, searching for the slightest imperfection. The system can detect flaws smaller than a grain of sand. Whether it is a tiny ink splash or a microscopic scratch, nothing escapes the AI's gaze. Defective sheets are instantly and automatically diverted from the production line. These rejected sheets are carefully logged and sent for high security destruction and recycling. Notes that pass the test receive their unique identity. High-precision laser numbering systems apply individual serial numbers, ensuring every single note is unique and traceable. The numbering is not just for tracking. The specific fonts and ink types used are also secret security features that are very difficult to replicate. The entire facility is a smart factory. Every machine communicates with a central nervous system, ensuring the highest levels of efficiency and total quality management. Automation reduces human contact with the notes, which not only improves security, but also ensures that the notes remain in pristine, untouched condition. Inventory control is absolute. Every sheet is accounted for from the moment the raw polymer enters the factory until the finished notes leave the building. Only after passing through these rigorous AI checks are the sheets ready for the final step, transforming from large sheets into individual, spendable currency. The final transformation occurs at the cutting station. Massive, precision guillotines slice through thick stacks of polymer sheets, separating them into individual banknotes. Individual notes are then fed into high-speed counting machines. These devices verify the count and perform a final check of the note's size and shape. Notes are organized into bundles of 100, then stacked into larger bricks. Every step is automated to ensure accuracy and to prevent any manual errors. The currency is vacuum sealed and packed into tamper-evident crates. These crates are then officially sealed with the authority of the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Heavily armored vehicles transport the fresh currency to the central bank and commercial vaults, ready to be distributed to ATMs and banks across the region. From this high-tech facility, these notes enter the pockets of millions, serving as a reliable medium of exchange in both Singapore and the Sultanate of Brunei. The Singapore dollar is more than just money. It is a symbol of stability, a masterpiece of technology, and a unique bridge between two friendly nations. Thank you for joining us on this journey. For more incredible manufacturing stories, subscribe to Future Factory Lab and hit the bell. Until next time, stay curious.